Good evening everyone. I am Sandeep Kaur. Today we are going to start the first question of your question paper, that is reading comprehension. Unseen passage or reading comprehension. Right? So we are doing it today and I have given you the worksheets for online students. Worksheet will be uploaded. Clear? So first of all, what you will do, I'll give you some tips. The very, see, one thing, it will be asked in MCQs only in your exam. Right? It can be in the form of a prose or poetry. Clear? Okay, so how you will start it? See, we have to take in mind that we'll have to spend less or minimum time on it. It requires maximum time, but we'll have to save our time. So how you will start it? First of all, you will read the questions. Always read the questions first. Why? What generally students do? They read the paragraph, then they read the question, but they don't get the answers after reading the question. Again they come to the paragraph. So in this way time is wasted. So always read the questions first. Usually 99% questions are in sequence of in which the information which is given in the paragraph. 1% chances can be there that one or two questions they can be asked randomly. So please keep in mind, for MCQs always do with the pencil first. Right? If you feel or MC in board you will not be allowed, or in your final exams or half yearlies you are not allowed to stick on your question paper. Clear? So always just make a margin on your sheet and write with pencil the options. Because at final checking, when you check your paper, you can check whether you have done all the answers. If any question was asked randomly, or either everything is correct. Clear or not clear? Avoid cutting. Don't get puzzled. If you are not able to find, for example, you have done question 1 and 2 and you are not able to do question 3, then please don't stick to it. Try it once or twice, leave that and step to the next question. Clear? You will find that question at the end also sometimes. So the most important thing is always read the questions first. Clear? So I am giving you 30 minutes for this extract. Okay, this extract has 13 questions, 13 MCQs. Okay, in your exam, you will have 10 only. Yes, sir. Right? You will have 12 and you will have to do 10 out of 12. Clear? Start doing. Thereafter, we will discuss all the answers. Yes, you can pick the option. You can pick the option. Okay, here you can pick the option. But in your exam, you will write option number, first question number like this. First question, like first question is of reading comprehension. Then you will write first question, what is the answer? For example, B. For example, the answer is this should be your answer. Don't write only option. Don't write only statement. Clear? Write option as well as statement, and your question number it should be appropriate. Write everything. Clear? Open your notebook now and write down. Write down your notebook, everyone.
Like this way?
Yes, notebook. Online students can pause the video and start their test. Right? Yes. Welcome back again. I hope you all have done the test, right? Or worksheet or test. Clear? So let us discuss. First question. First of all, match your answers and tell me your score. I am speaking the answers, match them. Right? First answer, B, a duck. From where we can find that she was a duck? First paragraph. Which line? First paragraph, third line. Lionel the duck. Clear? Lionel, we cannot say was a savage. We cannot say narrator's son. We cannot say a customer. Clearly it is written Lionel the duck. Yes, second. Lionel could not be saved as. Raise your hand. Yeah, he had lost too much blood, that's why he could not be saved. Again, first paragraph, second line. Okay, by the time we saw him, his battered body had already lost too much blood. Clear? He was too weak to haul his poor broken body inside. This was not the reason. He was blooded and beaten. This was not the reason. Clear? He was in bad shape. This was not the reason. Clear? The reason is that he had lost too much blood. That's why they could not save. Okay? Yes. Next is, who was shocked at the news of Lionel's death? Yashika.
The elderly gentleman.
Only elderly gentleman?
Nola's customer.
Nola's customers. All the customers were shocked. See, here is the answer. When Nola surely broke the news to her customers, they were devastated. Wait, let me explain. They were devastated. Devastated means they were shocked. Shocked and sad. Second paragraph, first line. And it is, see, when we read the passage, generally it also comes out that all of them were shocked. Right? Why was the elderly man heartbroken? Yes, Satyam, what you have written?
He could no longer spend an hour every day with me.
No, ma'am.
An hour?
No,
Where it is written an hour?
Ma'am.
Wait, one by one. Wait.
First option it cannot be.
Huh?
First option though.
First option?
It cannot be the first option.
Why?
Because it was not company.
It is clearly written over there. See? Second paragraph. Wait. We will discuss. If you feel that some other option could be there, you can present your views. Okay, and I will tell you why it cannot be there. Right? Let me explain first. Second paragraph, third line. They would spend an hour every week like that, just chatting and enjoying each other's company. Clear? So he liked his company.
An hour is also written.
Which? An hour is. So he was not worried about that hour only, na? He could spend that hour somewhere else.
Yes, ma'am.
But main problem was the attachment with the duck, his company. Clear? Here it is not shown that the man was selfish and he was worried about his hour. That where he would spend his time. Clear? When we are selfish, then we think how we will spend our time. But here he is missing the duck and he is worried that how he would no longer have his company now. Right? So you will take option 1A, option A. Okay, third, let us discuss. He could no longer spend an hour. Third, I have two. Second, he could no longer feed Lionel a slice of bread or a biscuit. Only this was the reason.
No, ma'am. It is that he used to.
Wait. Here 3-4 things are given. He used to come, feed him, and he enjoyed his company. 2 things are given, na? So you will choose first. Company. Clear? Because when company was there, then feeding was. Feeding is included in the company. Right? Clear? Okay. Next, fifth. How did the school children feel over Lionel's death? Very simple. They were sad. Because we can't say they were happy. We can't say they were sad as they had killed. Because they did not kill. They went to Lionel's grave. This is not the answer. So the answer is very simple. They felt sad. Sixth. Who made sympathy cards for Nola?
Some primary
school teachers. You can. I'm sorry. My mistake. Wait. Wait, my mistake. It is some primary school children.
No.
Why no? Wait. Why Bharat? Why no?
Because it is written in the paragraph that some strangers were also there.
Wait, Bharat, wait. Where it is written?
Ma'am,
Third paragraph, okay.
Ma'am, fourth line.
Fourth line, okay. Here it is written, see the third line. See the third paragraph. Nola also had to tell the local primary school children who used to play with Lionel on their way to school. Clear this line? Lionel waddled around them. Waddled means moved or just ran or something, muttering and letting them feel his soft white feathers while they waited for the bus. And some school children, while they waited for the bus, and some of the children, the same children, okay, some of the children made sympathy cards for Nola. She also received many condolences, a few from friends and many from strangers. Condolences, not cards, sympathy cards. Clear?
What do you mean by sympathy cards?
Sympathy card, like card. Okay, New Year card, Diwali card. Okay. When we feel what other is feeling, that is called sympathy. When someone is sad, we are also sad, or we can understand how the other person is feeling. That is called sympathy. Right? So where we were? 7. Okay. Now is it clear? 6 is clear. D option.
Yes.
Okay. 7. What did the narrator realize after Lionel's death? That Lionel had made many friends. It is very clearly written in para 3, second last line. It was then that we realized how many friends Lionel had made. Okay. Next is 8. Who were Lionel's friends? All of above. Very clearly. Primary school children, elderly gentlemen, multicolored hands and the red rooster. They were also friends. Clear? So all of above, D will be the answer.
What red rooster means?
Rooster is the cock. Okay. Male gender of, we can say, hen. Right? Yes, where we were? 9. What did the elderly couple give Nola? Condolence gift, very clearly written. Last paragraph, an elderly couple who lived 100 kilometers away read about Lionel's death in the newspapers and drove all the way to Nola's shop to deliver a condolence gift. Okay. Which of the following statements is correct? I did not get anyone. Okay, wait, Shantanu, why D?
Ma'am, because it's clearly written in the last para, and the A option, it is having that morning spelling is wrong.
Ma'am,
That is the typing mistake, that we will clear. I am asking which statement is correct. Wait, Shantanu, let him speak. D. Everyone's life won't be same with Lionel waddling around.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is it written? Wait.
At the end.
It is written, won't be the same without him waddling around. So he is saying, without, when he is not waddling around, our life would not be same. But in the question it is written, it would be same when he is waddling around. So he is not there. Clear? So it is wrong. D is wrong. C. Yes, Satyam, you were saying C. Why?
Ma'am, because it was written Nola plays this statue. Paragraph 3rd line, Nola somebody plays the statue.
At the head of Lionel's grave. It is written at the head of.
Then B of
Clear? And here, wait. Why shouting? I'll throw you out of the class, I'm telling you. Yes, where we were? Okay, so you were saying C. Nala placed a statue near Lionel's grave, but he placed it at.
At the head.
Clear? So C is also wrong. So Lionel was a loving bird, loving friend. This is correct. B.
Then what?
A.
Then
Ma'am,
the
then
whole
A
town
is
was
also
mourning.
correct.
Then
Huh?
Also.
A is also correct.
The whole town was mourning.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, after the scene there.
I'm hold down.
Wait, where it is written the whole town was mourning? Show me the line. Show me the statement where it is written.
It seemed as if the whole town was mourning.
It seemed. राइटर को ऐसा लग रहा था कि सारा शहर उसके सी डेथ के दुख में इट इज दे आर क्राइंग एंड दे आर सी इन ग्रीव राइट. उसको लग रहा था कि सारा शहर जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि जैसे ऐसा लग रहा है सारा शहर जगमग हो उठा, बट असल में हुआ नहीं था. एक्चुअली दोज हु न्यू हिम ओनली दे वर इन ग्रीव, ओनली दे वर सैड, राइट. So that is why answer will be B. Right? Lionel was a loving friend. Yes. 11. Assaulted one by one. Battered. Up now you will not speak. Variety. Assortment. Stranger. Yashika. Stranger. Acquaintance. Acquaintance means a known person.
Then assaulted means?
Assaulted means battered means when someone is killed, like tortured and killed. Okay? Yes, I hope all the queries are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
13 questions. Raise your hand who have got 13 out of 13. 12. Count your marks first. Online students, you can also count your marks. Be honest, please. If there is any query, you can post in the comment section. Right?
I'm 10.
Now 11.
Okay, 11, good. How many of you have scored 11? Need 11?
10.
10 or 11?
10.
Anyone? Wait.
10.
Anyone scored 9? Okay, 8. Okay, 7. So all are above 7. Good, very good. So we'll practice these kind of worksheets related to grammar as well as your reading comprehension. Okay?
Grammar in this type also.
Yes, grammar and reading. Grammar will also practice like
Then
this.
it's like this.
Same like this. Okay? So thanks for today.